Okay, this question is coming from Anonymous. He says he tried to play the song Bvuma Mukuwasha by Simon Chimbetu using octaves, and it didn't come out right. The guitarist who played on that song did not use octaves. Instead, he used an interval of a tenth, and that's very rare for Zimbabwean music. That's the first song that I heard that used the interval of a tenth on the guitar. On Simon Chimbetu's album, Gunship, released 2016, I played 3 songs on that album. And on the song Churongo, I used them as well, somewhere in the middle. As a guitarist, you need to know your scales. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the distance between this note and this note, it's a tenth. So those are the intervals that he used. If I play exactly what they played on the song, my video will be taken down on some social media platforms. So what I did is I stole elements from Simon Chimbetu's Bvuma and created something of my own. Of course, it's stealing still, but kuba kunika kungwara. Here we go.
Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.